Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some chilly to cold conditions across the region this morning. Seeing temperatures last night around 24 degrees for our overnight low. Inland locations saw some temperatures near 20 degrees, so some cold conditions across the region to start out the day. We'll see temperatures rise today in the mid-40s, still below average, but seeing temperatures a little bit warmer than yesterday. We'll see our winds increase for this afternoon into the evening hours and becoming windy overnight, and that's going to be the big headline for the next 24 hours to 48 hours or so, seeing those winds increase tomorrow with a dry Arctic boundary moving through. Could see a slight chance of a sprinkle moving through with that boundary, but overall just windy conditions. Wind gusts could be as high as 50 miles an hour with that cold frontal passage, and then we'll just see some cold conditions for on Friday to wrap up the work week. Looking at the sounding from this morning, freezing level 200 feet, winds light in the low levels, northwest 9 knots, and seeing our winds increase slightly in the 3,000 to 9,000 foot area, looking at 20 to 30 knots, and increasing thereafter fairly dramatically up to 72 knots at 25,000 feet out of the northwest this morning. Current surface analysis, we do have high pressure in control. That'll slide off the coast today. A cold front from the Midwest will quickly approach for tomorrow morning, giving us those windy and cold conditions for our Thursday. So looking at our satellite imagery this morning, see a little bit of cloud cover moving through currently. Another deck of clouds around 7,000 to 8,000 feet off to our west. They'll be quickly approaching for this afternoon, giving us some mostly cloudy skies for later this afternoon. And looking at the European mile here for the long range, have those conditions deteriorating tonight into tomorrow morning as far as the winds go, and seeing windy conditions with that cold front moving through. As I mentioned, could see a wind gust 45 to 50 miles an hour tomorrow with that cold front moving through, and then continue to see those winds tomorrow afternoon anywhere from about 30 to 40 miles an hour with temperatures dropping in the mid-30s, so we'll be cold tomorrow afternoon. As far as Friday goes, we'll see some breezy conditions, still cold temperatures, highs only in the upper 30s. And for Saturday, we'll see temperatures moderate slightly, temperatures in the lower 40s, not as breezy, so a better day overall on Saturday. Then Sunday, we'll see nicer weather in general. We'll have more southwesterly flow, as well as some moderating temperatures. Looks like temperatures will be in the 50s on Sunday. And then for Monday, we'll have a warm front starting to move through the region, associated with a surge of some Gulf moisture. That's going to give us a good chance of some showers on Monday, and could be seeing a front kind of stall across the region for Tuesday, giving us another chance of some showers across the area. Right now, Tuesday's weather a little bit more uncertain than Monday's rainfall chances. Some models showing additional area low pressure moving through on Wednesday and not Tuesday. We'll continue to monitor that for early next week. So looking at our risk chart for today, high 46, low around 40 for the evening hours, and then rising into lower to mid-40s overnight. Windy conditions, as you see here, red conditions for our winds from late afternoon through tomorrow morning, and orange from noon to 1600 local, and those southwesterly winds will increase from 12 to 17 knots, gusting 25 up to, by tomorrow morning, southwest 20 to 25 sustained, possibly gusting as high as around 40 to 42 knots. So looking at our terminal forecast, we're going to see VFR conditions the next 24 hours. We'll see those clouds around 8,000 feet increasing, especially after about 1600 local at 4 p.m. This afternoon, and that'll give us some mostly cloudy skies thereafter, overcast skies, and we'll have a slight chance of a sprinkle overnight, and then another slight chance of a sprinkle tomorrow morning after 8 local with that cold front moving through. Tides running normal. Look at Thursday and Friday. Thursday, mostly cloudy with a slight chance of a shower in the morning, otherwise windy, cold, and partly cloudy. Wind gusts up to 50 miles an hour possible. See a morning high of 48, and temperatures falling in the mid-30s by the afternoon. So we'll see those wind chill values in the 20s Thursday afternoon. For Thursday night, partly cloudy, breezy, and cold. Wind chill values between about 15 and 25 degrees, low around 27 degrees. So those coldest wind chills will be felt during the pre-dawn hours of Friday morning. And then Friday, partly to mostly cloudy, breezy and cold, high around 39 degrees. Should see a wind advisory in the morning on Friday, and we'll see those wind chill values in the 20s and lower 30s for Friday. So once again, a cold day across the region to wrap up the work week. In the next 7 days, we'll see temperatures start to moderate on Saturday with less wind into the lower 40s, and then seeing those temperatures back near to above average for Sunday, Monday to Tuesday. Better day for Sunday, 52 for a high, Monday, we'll have some rain showers in the area, 56, so looks like a fairly cloudy and wet day. And then for Tuesday, right now, mostly cloudy and breezy, chance of showers, high around 61 degrees. As I mentioned, we'll continue to monitor that forecast for Tuesday of next week, as it could be a dry slot between two systems for Monday and Wednesday. Well, we may see that boundary just kind of hang up across the region, giving us a continued chance of showers. That's going to complete our 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. Hope everybody has a great day today. We'll be back tomorrow morning, 8:15 and 10 a.m.